Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Nick, and I am back with another video. Back with another banger for you guys. Today we got another 135, guys. I know I never introduced this one on my channel, but I did buy another one, guys. This one was just purely for a flip. I bought it with some quarter panel damage. I already got it fixed. Honestly, we got it fixed in a matter of like 2 weeks. We got everything taken care of on this car. Yeah, guys, I just didn't want to introduce it on the channel and then get rid of it right away. But today we got something really cool going on. I did want to retrofit some paddle shifters on this car because it is a 135, it's twin turbo, and it's got no paddle shifters, guys. So it sounds super lame, especially if I'll be selling the car in a little bit of time. It's gonna sound, in my opinion, that's just something you have to have on a car that's got over 300 horsepower, guys. For the paddle shifters, I got one from my good buddy Noor. He has a website where he releases a ton of retrofit kits. He's still in the process. He's only got a couple on there, but he is in the process of releasing a lot more, guys. This one is pretty much a plug and play kit, which should be pretty easy, relatively easy to install. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and show you the kit. All right, guys, so this is the package that we get when we order the retrofit kit. It's got a little instruction manual, guys, pretty much on what you need to pin. Got some air fresheners, Naughty. Ooh, those smell good too.
They smell good, yeah.
These ice, black ice?
Yeah, black ice.
Heck yeah, that's my favorite. Oh man, this packaging is amazing. Wow. All right, guys, so we do have a harness that's gonna plug in from the shifter into the steering column, and then we have a harness that will plug in just directly inside the steering wheel. Guys, so the reason this one is so special is because we do have an extra harness that runs on the steering wheel. This gives you the opportunity to save like 300 bucks and not buy additional buttons for your steering wheel. So those run about 300 bucks. I mean, used, maybe you could find them for like 200 bucks. But the idea of this one, and what's so good about this one, guys, is that it's just direct plug and play. You don't have to worry about buying any additional accessories to install this one. All right, guys, so we did end up picking up a steering wheel with paddle shifters. This one is the pre-LCI, so it's got the paddle shifters on both sides, that downshift and upshift. Basically, all we need to do for the steering wheel is swap the buttons from our old steering wheel onto these, because these are 4-pin, and the buttons that will come with the paddle shifter steering wheel are going to be 6-pin. So basically what I did is I went ahead and swapped this before the video to make it easy, but realistically it's just 3 T10s in the back. You pull this off and you swap the buttons. It's as simple as a 1-minute install, guys. This is the ground that is going to run right here. If we could catch that on camera. These 2 plugs are pretty much going to both run into the paddle shifters. What you're going to do is basically unplug the paddle shifters here and plug it directly into this harness. So as you guys can tell, we're left with just 2 pins here. And the instruction manual tells us for steering wheel, green wire pin 6 and orange wire pin 4. Basically what we're going to do is pin orange wire into pin 4 and green wire into pin 6. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. We're inside the car now, and what we're going to be doing is installing the second harness now. Pretty much what we need to do is take off the steering wheel, take off the lower footwell panel, and take off the centerpiece here, because we are going to be running the wire directly from here down here and through the steering column. But before we do that, we are going to disconnect the battery because we are taking off an airbag. So we pretty much pulled apart everything we need to pull apart. As I mentioned, the panel underneath here, it is held on 320 mil bolts. This is strictly held on tabs, the steering wheel on a 16 mil bolt. And the rest of this, honestly, guys, is just on clips. All you do is pry it off. It took us 1 minute. So what we're gonna do next is run this harness kit right here from this blue wire into the steering column here. And we're gonna show you guys how to do that right now. Whew. It's got the BMW tape on it.
Yes,
looking all OEM. So there's a blue plug here, blue connector on the right hand side of the shifter. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this, and we are gonna run this harness in between these. So one side here and one side here, just like that, guys. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and tuck this right back in here. Basically, so we ran this wire now here underneath the center console. We're just gonna run it strictly, tuck it underneath all around here and up to the steering column. All right, guys, next thing we're gonna go ahead and do is disconnect this exact connector that goes on the bottom right hand side of the steering column, essentially the clock spring. Now that we have the cover off of the plug. We're gonna go ahead and plug green wire into pin 4 and orange wire into pin 2. One side says 12 or 7 through 12, and the other side says 1 through 6. We're gonna go ahead and take out pin number 2 and pin number 4. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this up as well, guys. That way it ain't going nowhere. All right, guys, we're pretty much good to go. We're just gonna go ahead and plug this right back in here. Bro, I can't see it. All right, we are good to go.
That should be it, bro.
We're all set on putting everything together. Our final step is finally installing, guys, the paddle shifter steering wheel. I'm excited. All right, guys, so we did our best to tuck in this harness. It looks relatively neat. Realistically, everything fits in just as it needs to fit. We just got these two for the airbag. We're gonna go ahead and plug that in, connect the battery, and test them out.
You always look good, bro.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you, fam. I needed that.
I have nothing tomorrow night.
There you go. All right, guys. Moment of truth. I'm scared of this airbag, bro.
Bro, you and Jonathan are the same way.
Yeah, I've always done that. Like, he does that where he goes like from the side.
Really?
The same thing all the time. I'm like scared. But I disconnected the battery this time, so I don't feel too weird about it. I never disconnect the battery, bro. I don't want to mess with that stuff. All right. Moment of truth, bro.
Moment of truth, bro.
Ooh! Let's go, bro. This is freaking sick. It's only got 6? I'm just kidding.
It's not a nice speed, bro.
Bro, this is dope, bro.
Both sides work?
Yeah.
The upshift, downshift properly? Cool, perfect.
Bro, heck yeah. This is awesome, bro. That was simple. But yeah, guys, this is truly a plug and play kit. I'm honestly not big on retrofitting things, and I'm not too experienced into pinning wires and stuff like this. One of the easiest installs I've ever done, or I've ever seen even. So, yeah, guys, let's go give it a little rip.
Man, this thing's fast, honestly. Sheesh. Bro, I like how we get super excited. Like if we go to Disneyland on a roller coaster, you don't hear us go like, wee. Put on a car, it's like, woo.
That's freaking funny. Yeah, guys, this car is for sale, by the way.
Everything will be dialed in before that.
Bro, this is nice.
Now, it pulls really good. No 30 FF, so everything's
No
perfect,
30
bro.
FF, yeah.
Heck yeah.
Bro, these paddle shifters are awesome.
Yes.
I actually dig it so much. All right, guys, that'll pretty much conclude this video. The kit was awesome. It was easy to install. Huge shout out to Noor. I will have his Instagram right here. I will have their company's website in the description down below. It's an awesome kit, guys. They do have a lot more kits coming out for the E Chassis BMW specifically. Maybe some for the F Chassis down the line. But yeah, guys, they're awesome. Huge shout out to them. But as always, guys, I will have my Instagram linked right here. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to leave a like. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned something new. And we'll catch you in the next one.